still here. I did a live video when this emergency, whatever the little emergency tone thing, y'all know what it is. I did it when it was going off just to see what would happen with the phone, you know, with it drop, whatever. But nah, kept going. I got it on live video. And also, y'all know I was one back in the days that was stuck.
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
Yeah, I got stuck. And so far, I'm not a zombie. I don't think I'm a zombie. You know, I might be a zombie, don't even know. And I didn't collapse right there on the spot. And where I was at that moment, my phone said 5G on it. No one else went crazy around me. I haven't heard any incidents. So another one debunked in the book, y'all. Perhaps, huh? Because anything can happen tonight, tomorrow, the day after that, they gonna say, it took a while for it to kick in, see? Like I said, oh well. Live your life. What could you do about it? What could somebody have done? Nothing. So, it's been many years, y'all. Some of y'all might not know about what the National Enquirer is. That was back then before you was able to look on phones and all. It was a book, page, paper, newspaper type things been in the store. The world was going to end in 2000. The world was going to end in 2013. The world was always going to end. Y'all don't know that. The Mayan calendar, Y2K book, all kinds of stuff, y'all. But we still here kicking. Still here. Perhaps. We all might be dead. Who knows? Nostradamus, he done said this gonna happen. This rich man over here said that's gonna happen. The poor fucker over here who just wanna get stuff stirred up said this gonna happen. Hadn't happened. Well, whatever happened is gonna happen, y'all. Just live your life. Stop it. The more you worry about all the things that's gonna happen one day, it's gonna happen to you. For worrying. And you worrying other people's. The poor sheep that follow you into all this mess. But, on another note, this could have been a test.
Really, nigga?
A test. Yes. I know that's what they said it was. And they didn't lie to you, probably. But this could possibly be a test for something else. Something much bigger on a scale that you ain't seen. Because, like I told you, they're not putting it out there for you to see it. No. There's something else probably brewing. Why they got your attention? What done brewed? Why they had everybody's attention like this here? Putting foil around their heads and everything. And they was doing it. Who is they, y'all? Who knows? But hey, don't let them do it to you. What I mean, don't let them do it to you. Just live your life. Whatever comes, take it with stride. Just keep it moving. With that being said, if anybody got something crazy to say, something good to say, something bad, whatever you want to call it, put it in the comment. Put it down there, ask me. But hey, not a zombie yet. Even when 5G came in through the phone, when it first come in, when 5G come in, everybody gonna explode that got it. Yeah. Somebody get in comments too. Tell me what y'all new one. Let us know early. Give us a hint of what the new conspiracy gonna be. Y'all, I'm not knocking the conspiracies because I'm about a 1%er, 2%er, 3%er, 4. I don't know. But I don't call it conspiracy. I just call it intuition. I don't know what to call it. But I call it, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be what it's gonna be. Que sera, sera.